Hello everybody, it's the time for little Aline and Mama go to exercise. That we are just walking around our house on the road. She like exercising, walking, you see, with the, wow, she look nice. Oh, very good baby. Walking. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Pretty little baby, I love you baby, I love you honey. Pretty little baby, I love you baby, I love you honey. Pretty little baby, I love you baby, baby, I love you. Little pretty baby, baby, hello to everybody. How do you feeling? Good? Oh, you like walking for exercising? Yes?
Yes.
Oh, good. Kiss one. Lan. Hello, son. Stop down, do exercising with the walking slowly around our house.
Lan.
Hello, and walking, exercising.
I sprained my ankle. Mommy,
Okay, the flower. So to okay, flower.
Mommy.
Wow, so good.
Mommy, I
so
sprained my
nice.
ankle.
Okay, let's go.
Mom,
Little baby, show with me. Lan. Hello, baby. La. Oh, long gun. Here is long gun. Oh, long gun. Little baby. Oh, baby, happy day. So together. Good day, talk to the people. Yeah. Bodyguard.
oh my God, my leg.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, everybody will be see a little Aline and Aline on the next video. Please don't forget wrong